Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use WordPress for document management or file management. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials, or if this is your first time here in WordPress, you might want to click on the Get Started button. And once you do that, you will be directed to a new page wherein signing up for WordPress is very easy and straightforward. All you're gonna do is you can continue with your Google account, your Apple account, your GitHub, or you can log in via an app. Click on the continue button and you're all set. Now, using WordPress for document management or file management can be achieved through a lot of methods, especially using plugins or custom post types and external service integration. Now, for using the plugins, what we need to do is go to the plugin section. And from here, all I'm going to do is search for the WP document revisions or something like that. There you go. Now, from here, all I'm going to do is choose the right plugin for you. All right, and obviously we need to install and activate it on the WordPress site. Now click on it. So these four sections right here is for you to read and understand, especially for the description, because from here it's built for time sensitive and mission critical projects, and teams can collaborate, edit files on any formats, and these reviews are transparent and honest reviews that can help you make an informed decision. And the minimum installation guide, you can automatically install or manually install, or you can simply go to the community wherein the active contributors and developers are here to help you and guide you. And all you're gonna do is click on download. All right, now if you're using the main dashboard, you need to go to the left side panel, go to the plugin section, add a new plugin, and of course we need to search for the WP document revisions. When you click on it, you might want to search for the this one, WP document revisions. Now click on that, and obviously it's free to install and activate. Click that button. And once you do that, it'll take some time, and there you have it. You can now manage document revisions and click on the manage plugin. And what will happen is, as you can see, all you're gonna do is you can configure the settings here, but you can do that later on. Just go to the left side panel again and click on the now here it will appear your dashboard. So you have the all documents, add documents, workflow states, and validate states. When you click on the all documents, it's very easy. From here you can add new document. You might want to rename this one, right? And you can add as many as description as you wanted. And as you can see, you can also have an option to upload a new version right here. You can customize all of these. Say for example you wanted to have like a different font, heading. There's a lot for you to customize it, but basically that's it. And that's how you simply use WordPress for document management or file management. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.